Hi everyone, my name is Gailin Poirana. I'm from Solomon Islands. Since 2007, I have been working with different organizations in the development sector and focus on project management, gender, peace building, natural resources, and now into climate change. In early 2021, I decided to go into doing consulting work. I found full-time job is now becoming routine and thought doing consultancy will allow me to explore new ideas and also to work with different sectors, have different work opportunities, utilizing my skills more, and also having more time for myself and my family. I am new to consulting, but I'm really glad that different organizations have trusted me and allowed me to work with them. Since I entered into doing consultancy early this year, I have been involved in work related to gender and social inclusion, natural resource management, and climate change, as I have always been passionate about conservation of natural resources. The key messages I want to put across are, even though the consultancy landscape still skews towards internationals, I do believe that there is a growing opportunity for us Pacific Islanders. With the COVID borders closed, this presents an opportunity for us locals and also Pacific Islanders in doing consultancy work. I found that there is a demand and also room for growth in climate change, DRR, environmental, and natural resource related work and consulting. Locals have more deep knowledge on the local context, and as such, we must value our own technical expertise. Our deep contextual knowledge and networks while building a more collaborative network with other consultants are the areas of personal growth. The benefits of consulting show me using my skills from my qualification also provided opportunities to work across different sectors, which I have been benefited from. I'm also learning to organize myself and manage my time. Consultancy can be challenging as well. For instance, when the terms of references are not clear, we have to be ensure that tasks that are assigned to us must be clear, and we have to have effective communications with our partners. We must also ensure that there is savings budget when there is dry months. Also, we have challenges to manage, especially with the relationship with our clients or our partners. To sum up, my consulting experiences have taught me to have good relationship with people, strong networks, and be open-minded to accept feedbacks to my work. There are increasing opportunities for nationals to get into consulting, although we do not have access before due to borders closed. It makes me comfortable to go into consulting as there is more demand for local consultants. Also, there's a very small pool of nationals into climate change and natural resources. So I encourage nationals to become more involved or part of this. I also want to emphasize the challenges with consulting. TORs can be very unclear. We have to have saving money for dry months. There's also a challenge that stakeholders are not so cooperative. We must establish local consultants, a network of platforms for discussions, and also we have to work together. As I mentioned, COVID-19 have also provided opportunities for us locals to be more involved in consulting work. Also, I want us, if with our capacity development needs, we must understand the terms of references. We must access to vacancy networks. We must manage our own time We must understand the government taxes, record keeping, soft skills such as punctuality. We have to have planning and expenditure skills as well, financial management, and also negotiating and calculating our daily rates. Thank you so much, and I hope you find this helpful. Thank you.